So if I'm talking about the people who judge, am I judging the people who judge? Of course I am. So this video is going to be about me being the judge and me judging the people who love to judge. So this is going to be a really judgy video. The thing is, we human beings, we are not just good. We have evil in us too. So one of the part of being evil is we love to judge. We love to judge people. We are like, nah, that sucks. That person sucks. You are so cringe. I'll give you a 3 out of 10. You are so meh. So just like that, we distribute our judgments like they're free candy. But it's a bad tasting candy. It's not sweet, it's bitter. Now some people will say, oh, I don't judge, I just give my opinion. Now there is a huge difference between judging and giving an opinion. Now the thing is, we all have our belief systems. Every individual have his or her own belief system, and those belief systems are not formulated in a day. They are formulated over the years from our life experiences, from what we have dealt with, from our external circumstances. So they are very individual, and based on those belief systems we give our opinion or our judgments. An opinion is when you suggest something casually, or you tell a person that if he did that, that would be better for him, or in your view something can be done differently. But when you're passing judgments, you declare a person completely right or completely wrong based on what you believe in. You're like, she wears slutty clothes, she's a slut. Or look at that guy, he cries a lot, he's a little girl, boys don't cry. Or look at her, she doesn't smile much, she must be one of those feminists who hate men. Or, that guy is being extra nice, he must be trying to get into my pants. So you can say that we make judgments based on what we think is right or wrong. It's very rare when we actually know the whole story. It's like when you look at a successful person and you're like, oh, life is so easy for him, he's got everything figured out, and you don't know what struggles he's been through and what he's going through right now. So we make judgments on people very easily. But when someone makes a judgment on us, we're like, oh my god, how could they say that? They don't even know me. I know we all have thinking brains, we all have our belief system, so our brains are bound to make certain viewpoints, assumptions, but making judgments, that's the evil part. We have to control the evil side. We have to stop ourselves from declaring anyone wrong based on what we think is right. Just like other people don't know your story, you don't know their story, so it's better not to make assumptions. The most common judgments we make are based on how people look. We're like, oh, she's so fat, he's so ugly. Why? Why would you do that? Are you so perfect that you judge other people just like that? In this world of Instagram, we are all trying hard to fit in, to look good. So if someone is not able to meet those standards, doesn't mean they are ugly, and nobody should have to try that hard to fit in. We all were not dealt the same card. Some people are born princesses with perfect beauty looks. So take a chill and try to know the person, not their looks. And if you are not judging anyone but someone is judging you, remember, it's their belief system, not the universal truth. So if they are saying it, doesn't make it the ultimate truth, so ignore it. Hope I made some sense and you learned a valuable lesson from the Jedi Master. I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care, and subscribe, share and like.